Oh, the tiny, tiny, tiny. This is bell pepper. Yep, this is bell pepper. Well, you know, in the field trip, my tomato plant was like this. But now, this is my tomato plant. It became so big. I don't know how it came right here. But it should be the same exact spot where is this one. So this is my tomato plant. And this is all mint. And also, especially that one is mint. And this one is mint. Well, we're going to go in an oak plant. So we're still going to plant. Now today we're going to pluck. And also I got my scissors. First, let's see if we can pluck someone here. Remember, this is for making a stand. You know how? Looks like we know how to pluck these things. Pluck. Nope. Nope. Wait, what? Okay, nope. Let's see if we can pluck someone here. If you see one, just tell me. I don't care. Oh, I found one. Thank you. Oh, I don't want to feel weird, scared. Oops. That's gonna go down. Okay. Yeah. Ooh. Am I gonna fall down? Oh, this is a trick. Oh. Ooh, we got one. I know, right? Let's put in my harvesting bag. Now, you see one more? Oh, I see two more instead. One here, one here. Now, oh, there's an ant. Hey, you wanna come here? No, hey, hey. Hey. Okay, so, going back to our harvesting, which is, yeah. It might take a while. Okay, so it's so hard to use with my hand, right? Okay, now I want to use scissors, which is do not use scissors. You know that, right? Because it might hurt you. Don't run with the scissors up like this. Don't run a scissor like this. Walk a scissor and always put the blades down while you're walking. Okay? I hope you remember that. This is a warning, guys. Also, kids, do not use adult scissors. Use school scissors. Yeah. My harvesting method. Now, let's see if I can do it with my hand. Then we'll go back to the scissors. Because, yeah, you know what? I'm just gonna open it. Ooh. You know what? I'll just use the scissors. There's two. There's two. And also, it's kind of like, should I cut the leaf? Nope. Should I cut the stem? Nope. You gotta cut which one you're plucking. So I'm plucking this. We got how many we have now so far? We got 3. Let's see if there's any more plants that we can pluck. I like plucking it. I like growing plants. That's why these all things are for. Let's cut. how many okra plants we have? We have 2 pots, but we have 5 those things. And yeah, we definitely need salt. Definitely need that. Double check, triple check, something. Check. There's any more? Nope. Well, we'll put the scissor where it belongs. I'll be right back. And normally in Telugu, we call it those things okra bandakaya. But I'm gonna say okra because I get mixed up all, you know. So, how many we have for okra? Let's count. If you know the answer, please tell me. 2, 3, 4, or 1, 2, 3, 4? Yep, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There is 5 okras in a basket. Let's see where corn. My beautiful corn. I'm harvesting corn. Let me come around. I'm harvesting corn. Let's see if there's any corn that we have. That's why plants are not my favorite. Okay. Is there any corn? If there, so we don't have any, looks like. But yeah, so these eggs are good for your health. Not health, for these guys. You know what? We eat bananas and apples and all that stuff, right? That's what plants need to have food. But normally you need salt to eat food, right? So I don't know. Yeah, I don't know what the egg means so far. But yeah, it's good for your health. Like you drink an energy drink, that's how it's for. And you know what? Plants. Keep tripping over. And also we have some mint. I don't know how mint looks like. I think it's leafy. I don't know. Well, let's look. Looks like I feel like there's nothing so far, right, you guys? Yep. Wow. Ooh, let's see some. What's that? This thing. This is marigold. It's not actually a gold plant, you guys. It's just a name. And this is, look, it's beautiful as the sun. Looks like the sun. Okay. Hi. So, I'm feeling so tired. I can't stand it. Yeah. So these are marigold, and it's so beautiful as the sun. Does it look like a sun most like? Yeah, it does. So pluck them or no? No. See how beautiful they are. Look. Okay. Now up to those are rose ones, which is very sharp. But look, it's right next to you, right there. That's an avocado plant. I don't know how it's an avocado plant. Let me come around. An avocado plant is, you know what's an avocado, you guys, right? Yeah, it will grow from this plant. I told you this is mint. That's corn. That's marigold. That's also mint. That's actually mint. While you're harvesting, you'll be careful of the bucket because I already just got 4 down here. Yeah. And also this one I'm feeling so hot, and also I can't able to pluck this mint. So I'm gonna take out my gloves and put it inside. Don't worry, when we get to some dirt, if it is able to pluck, I'm definitely going to. But remember, this is a warning. You have to wear gloves every time when you touch dirt. That's the warning for kids. And for example, this is, you know what? If there's a stick and it's so sharp and it got you, you might bleed and something might get in me. And my dad has to use a nail cutter to take it out. It hurts very badly. I don't want you guys to happen like that. And I didn't know that mint is only leaves. So shall we pluck them or no? Yeah, definitely pluck them. So I got a mint. I know it's supposed to be a leaf, just a normal pine, right? But this is actually mint. Shall we do it in every pot or just this? Every pot. Definitely, yeah. I already plucked some, like in the morning or something. Like that. Oh, yeah! Just. Don't get the bad ones because there's some bad ones. I don't know about the top. Should I go the top? No. Okay. Okay, I think we got enough. Just take the last big one. Thank you for watching this video. This is all for today. I know it's a long video in my life, but thank you for watching. Please subscribe. Please like. And please comment and please share. Bye bye.